Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, today I kind of want to go over a few key essentials that you're going to need in order to be successful with affiliate marketing. Okay, and myself, I've been doing this for quite a while, and I still have to remain focused with these 5 key essentials. Okay, but I don't think a lot of people realize what's really necessary. And you can see I made some notes here, and you definitely want to take notes of these, because this is key. Okay, so let's go over them a little bit here, and then I'm going to also show you a training platform you may want to take a look at to get some of this training. Okay, all right, I made some notes. 5 keys to success in affiliate marketing. If you're not aware, affiliate marketing is basically the act of you selling other people's products. That's pretty much what it is. You're promoting other people's products. That's affiliate marketing. There's tons and probably hundreds and thousands of different programs. Even the retail stores have an affiliate marketing program. You're just in a referral program. When you refer someone, they give you a link. You refer someone to their products or services. If someone makes a purchase from your link that they assign to you, that's coded to you, they give you a commission. Okay, so it's a great way to make money online, from newbies all the way up to advanced marketers. All right, so you can get some training. Go to this website here, www.thecopypastemethod.com. But let's talk about it. Mindset, guys. You probably hear this a lot and may think it's, oh, that's just something everybody says. But no, it's true. Because when you think about it, you have to be determined. Whatever it is you're trying to seek, whatever that goal is, whether it's something materialistic, think about it yourself. You set a goal, you say, hey, well, I want to go next year to Hawaii, right? You set that up in your mind and you're determined, hey, I'm going. So you're going to work the hours you need to work to save the money. You're going to be disciplined. You're not going to do any extra shopping. You set that up in your mind, right? You believe that this is what's going to happen. It's the same with your business online, but people sometimes take it lightly because, hey, it's just online business. I threw some money at it, and if it works, it works. No, you have to set it up in your mind. Believe in yourself. Believe you can do it, okay? You don't want this mindset. This is the mindset you don't want. I'm going to try it and see what happens. I don't know if it'll work. I'm not sure I can do it. You don't want that mindset. You want the mindset that you know you can do it. Because believe me, the company that you're promoting, that you signed up with, the affiliate program, you know it's not on trial. It's already been proven to work. Many testimonies have been shown. Right? That's why you got started. You saw someone saying, hey, I made some money with this program. So see, the program has already been proven to work, whatever it is that you've joined. Okay, so it's not on trial. So now it's, can you do it? So you're going to have to know in your own mind that you can do it. Okay, because if nobody else believes in you, you have to believe in you. Okay, so you want to, when we talk about mindset, stay focused on your goals. Okay, definitely. But mindset, every day, go watch or listen. So there's audios and videos. This stuff is free out here online. Every day, make sure you watch or listen to some audio or video to something motivational and inspirational daily. This is what's going to keep you in the game. Because there's going to be times where you just want to quit. That's easy to do. It's easy to join a program and it's easy to quit. That's easy, right? But to stay in the game, you're going to need something to keep you motivated, because if you don't have a support system of like-minded people around you, you're going to just quit and you're going to say, forget it, this didn't work for me. Now, there's some programs out there that maybe you've joined. They have a daily call. That would be a way to get your motivation. Get on that daily call. If you've joined an affiliate program and they say, hey, every day we have a call in, or jump on a Facebook group chat that they may have, the program you've joined, that would be a way to engage in motivation. Okay, so definitely tune into that. If you don't have that with the program, there's plenty out there, from Les Brown to Tony Robbins. Go listen to something motivational. Okay, that's number one. Number two, lead generation. Okay, we are in the lead generation business. Yes, we're in the make money online niche, but you've got to generate leads consistently. You need to get a marketing system. Okay, I have a link in the description. You can go check it out. I use the Conversion Pros. That's a marketing system. Okay, you're going to need a system that's going to capture those leads. When you send people to your link, whatever that link is that you're promoting, you need a system to capture their name and email, because the system will have an email series that's going to follow up with them, as well as a system where you can send out a personal blast to your list maybe once a week. Okay, so got to have that. Then you need what we call a DMO, daily method of operation. You're generating your leads, but every day you should be touching your business. Every day you should be doing something, making a post, engaging with some folks, sending out emails, sending out text messages. You should be doing something touching your business. We call that income producing activities. Every day you should be touching that business. Okay. Number three, you want to follow up with the people that showed interest. So with that marketing system that I have, I can send out emails. Okay. As well as, think about this, you could either text your folks, whatever you decide, but you should follow with those people that have said, hey, I got a question. Or if you have a system that shows you, how to rate those people, and you can see which people are hot or cold, those warm people or those hot folks that have looked at the sales page over and over, those are hot prospects. So you can reach out to them. Hey, did you have any questions? I see you've looked at the presentation, something of that nature. And it could be a simple email, guys. It doesn't even have to be a phone call. Okay? So that's number three. Number four, you want to keep marketing, keep promoting your offer over and over. That's the name of this game. Once you sign up, you get everything set up, you've got to keep promoting it. Just like a commercial on TV, you got to keep going and going and going. You know how you see those commercials over and over? They're promoting the business. You have to do the same. So keep promoting the offer, getting people in front of the offer. Because if you're with any of the programs I'm a part of, we have sales pages. Okay, the company that you're promoting, they've already done the work. They've created the sales page. Your job is just to get people to your capture page. Then the folks will look at the sales page. The video sales letter, it explains the program, so you don't have to explain it. So keep promoting over and over and over and over. Okay, you never promote enough. Stay encouraged. Number 5, stay encouraged, be patient, trust the process. A lot of people give up so fast. Hey, I've been doing this for a month or 2 months. Nothing's happened. As long as you're generating leads and you can see leads coming into your system, that's a great thing. You keep doing that. That's your job. But it takes patience, guys. Nothing's going to happen overnight. Okay? That's how this goes. Gotta stay encouraged, trust the process. Now, I want to show you a program training, as I stated, the copypastemethod.com. Go check it out. Get some of this training that you can sign up with and get some training. Okay? Let me show you that real quick. This system right here has some great training in it. It's newbie friendly. There's no monthly fees. Learn at your own pace. As you can see, some of the things I just stated is in here. Winning mindset is here for a reason. You see it's at the top. Mindset. You got to get your mind right. Okay? Then it also has an action plan. Remember I talked about daily method of operation. Once you get this program, it gives you some ideas of Monday, what should I do? Tuesday, what should I do? And so forth. Okay? And then here's the platforms of the different ways you can promote whatever your opportunity is. Posting some of the ads they give you. And then I talked about follow-up email series. That's in here as far as automate your business. That's what they're saying. Get your system. I use the Conversion Pros. This program shows you how to set up Online Sales Pro. But whatever it is, get you a marketing system. Okay? So it talks about that. Get a sales funnel. So it does all the heavy lifting. That's what I do. So I set it up. I send people there. And then the system is going to do the selling and telling for me. It's going to send out emails, all of that. That's what I have with the Conversion Pros. If you're interested in that, the link will be in the description as well. Get with me. We can have a conversation. I can send you my tracking links. I'm sorry, not my tracking link, my share codes. So you can use the same capture pages and email series that I have. Okay. So this is definitely a great program. Okay, to get you off the ground and running as a brand new affiliate marketer. Okay, a newbie. Perfect for you. And here's the 3 training products that they have. Okay, you can start where you like, guys, but get started. That's the point. Get some training behind you. You need some training. So they have 3 product levels. The starter level for $50, the elite level for $150, and the pro level for $300. These are one-time payments. There's a one-time payment for your website, which is $25. So get in where you fit in, but you get started with the training. Even the $50 level right here has mindset, and then the 7-day action plan, and then marketing strategies. Okay, but you need to get some training. You can't just join a program and just spam everybody on Facebook and then wonder, well, hey, nobody's signing up, because that's not the right way to market. But with this training, you're going to learn how to do it the right way and have people come to you and say, hey, I want more information about what you're talking about. Send me your link. This will teach you the right way. Okay, so you just decide. But with it, you're also able to resell the courses, and you make commissions, $50, $150, and $300 commissions. Okay, but if you go all in, $325 at the pro level, $325 one time, you'll get all 3. Okay, and you're able to resell these training courses. So when someone goes to your link that the company assigned you, and they decide they want to purchase the $50 program, you make $50. If they want the $150, you make $150. Okay, so this is a great way to learn and earn at the same time. Okay, perfect system for you. Now, everybody that joins me at this pro level, I'm going to send a solo ad of 200 visitors to your website. You're going to need to get a capture page. Okay, because we want to capture all those leads. We don't just want them to go to the wayside and not know who actually visited your site. So definitely check this out. Link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My info is in there as well. You can reach out to me. And look forward to working with you guys. But definitely get your essentials. Take a look at this. Okay, this is going to be key. These are things that we do over and over and over. This is your roadmap. Okay, roadmap. It's like a cheat sheet. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please go check the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Look forward to working with you guys. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.